Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're ready because this week, oh man, the universe is rolling out the red carpet for a performance you are not going to want to miss. Seriously, we've got a front row seat to an incredible cosmic showcase. I mean, what if the night sky decided to put on a show just for you? Imagine looking up and seeing not just the usual stars, but this incredible lineup of special guests, visiting from the absolute farthest reaches of our solar system. Well, for the next few nights, that's exactly what's happening. This isn't just another Tuesday night, folks. This is a personal invitation to a cosmic event. So, what's the big deal? Why is this week so special? Well, it's not just one thing. It's like a cosmic hat trick, a trifecta of celestial wonders, all happening at the exact same time. Okay, so think of it like a music festival in the sky. Your headliner? That's Comet Lemmon, the reliable star that's putting on a really bright show. Then you've got the surprise guest, right? Comet SWAN. It's a little fainter, but man, it's got this wild backstory. And to kick things off, the opening act is the dazzling Orion meteor shower, just throwing a whole flurry of shooting stars into the mix. All right, let's get to know our two main attractions. Now, yeah, they're both comets, but their journeys to get here to our night sky, they couldn't be more different. You've got one who's kind of a seasoned performer, and the other, it's like this rare, almost mythical visitor with a really fascinating story. So on one hand, you've got Comet Lemmon. This one was discovered by the pros, right? The Mount Lemmon survey. Its orbit is, relatively speaking, pretty short, 1,350 years. So it's a more frequent, predictable visitor. But then you have Comet SWAN. This one was spotted just last month by a citizen scientist, an amateur astronomer named Vladimir Bazugli, who was just combing through public NASA data. And this comet, oh yeah, this one is the real long-haul traveler. 22,554 years. Let that sink in for a second. That's how long it takes this thing to make one trip around the sun. The last time Comet SWAN was in our neighborhood, well, human civilization was still in the Stone Age. This thing is a literal ghost from our ancient past, just making a quick appearance before it vanishes again for thousands and thousands of years. It really puts into perspective how incredibly rare this sighting is. Okay, so before we talk about which one's brighter, we need a quick, super simple lesson in what's called astronomical magnitude. Now, it's a little weird, little counterintuitive. In the sky, the lower the number, the brighter the object. So just think of it like a ranking, you know? Number 1 is way brighter than number 6. Just keep that little rule in mind as we see how our two comets stack up. All right, in the brightness showdown, Comet Lemmon is the clear winner. It's clocking in at around magnitude 4.5. Now, what that means for you is it's potentially visible with just your naked eye if you can get to a really dark location. Comet SWAN, on the other hand, is a bit dimmer at 6.1. So for that one, you're definitely going to want to grab a pair of binoculars to catch its faint, kind of ghostly glow. But you know, it's not just about the comets. That's not the only thing that makes this week so special. It's this perfect storm of celestial conditions. Everything is lining up to turn our sky into the absolute best theater for this show. So here's the recipe. Here's how it all comes together. First, you have our two comets making their closest pass to Earth. At the exact same time, the Orion meteor shower is hitting its peak. And then the final, absolutely crucial ingredient? The new moon on October 21st. That means zero moonlight to wash everything out. We're getting the darkest possible sky for the show. And that meteor shower, I mean, what an opening act. At its peak, the Orionids could give us up to 20 shooting stars an hour. Think about that. So while you're out there scanning the sky for the faint smudges of the comets, you're also getting this bonus show, a steady stream of meteors streaking right over your head. This is exactly why astronomers are saying this is such a special time. You know, you got this quote here that says it all. The coincidence of two bright comets, a new moon, and a meteor shower makes October 2025 a truly special month. I mean, this is the kind of cosmic alignment that skywatchers literally dream about. So you're probably thinking, okay, I want to see this. And you should. The great news is your front row seat is just waiting for you. So let's get into your simple guide for how to catch this whole show, maybe even from your own backyard. All right, here's your cheat sheet. For Comet Lemmon, you're going to look west right after sunset. Find the super bright star Arcturus, you can't miss it, and the comet will be just to the east of it, okay? Now, for Comet SWAN, you're going to shift your view to the southwest.
Look for the famous summer triangle. That's that big, bright trio of stars, Vega, Deneb, and Altair. Both comets are evening shows, but remember, you'll absolutely need binoculars for SWAN.
And here's what you need for your viewing toolkit. Rule number 1, and this is the most important one: get away from city lights. Darkness is your absolute best friend here. A decent pair of 10 by 50 binoculars will be perfect. And hey, use a Sky Guide app on your phone to help you pinpoint exactly where to look. And of course, don't forget the essentials: a comfy chair, a little bit of patience, and warm clothes. Seriously, dress warm. The universe isn't going to wait, but it definitely helps if you're comfortable while you're watching.
I mean, this is just such an incredible opportunity. But it really makes you think, what if you miss it? If you miss this celestial appointment, when's your next chance? We already know for Comet SWAN, the answer is over 22,000 years from now. But what about the brighter one, our headliner, Comet Lemmon? Yeah, see you in 3375. No, that is not a typo. Based on its 1,350-year orbit, Comet Lemmon won't be back in our skies until the year 3375. This isn't just a once-in-a-lifetime event, it's a once-in-many-lifetimes event. So please, get out there this week, look up, and enjoy the show. It is truly, truly one for the ages.